¿Qué pasó, people? Wednesday, February 13th. Day before Valentine's Day. You know what that means? Overpay for those flowers. Overpay for that chocolate. Take out the dinner, right? Spend money doing that shit. Not me. Married married a long time. Married a long time. It's Valentine's Day every day here in New York. No reason to just celebrate it for one day. Gotta celebrate it every day. What do we got here? My computer just updated, so I got shit popping up all over the place. Nobody joining me yet, so I might as well just do the camera before anybody chimes in. Had a pretty good crowd yesterday. Right? We had a lot of action in the chat room, chat box. A lot of people chirping. It's nice. Good to have a little action. Right. Try this. We're applying. Okay. Out of focus? Not really. We're in focus. We have a 5 Topps Chrome 2018 opening every pack on this mega box set. I'm not opening them yet. I think there's a couple outstanding. Just doing a little prep work here. I'm going to do it live so you guys see. Saves me about 30 seconds, but okay, it's done. Nobody's on it. Where are we? Topps Chrome, baseball. Where's Manny Machado going? Bryce Harper, right? Manny, one left. Manny's, apparently Vegas has Manny a favorite coming to the Yankees. Maybe the Yankees offered him probably their best offer so far. Who the hell knows? I mean, I don't think we need him. I don't know. I'm kind of glad. Gotta admit, I'm kind of glad. These owners are not. I'm not gonna crack the packs yet, people. But I am going to put the boxes down, get the packs out. I'm kind of glad that the Major League Baseball has decided not to grossly overpay certain players. I mean, we won't know until the final numbers are out, obviously. I think the 10-year deals are we're good to go. See that? I got a little Confucius in me, a little fortune teller mode. I know when to go and not to go. I got those skills. Look at that. We're building a wall. See that? That wall didn't cost us $5 billion, though. We need the wall. Don't be stupid. All right. Ready? Pack 1. Box 1. Everybody's good to go. 3 ghosts are on. And we are on our way. Jose Ramirez of the Indians. Mr. Torres, welcome aboard. We'll sleeve your ass. Ian Kingsler and William Dames. Okay. International Fair. Started nice and early with him. We did basketball yesterday. JD Martinez, Chris Sale. Speak of the devil, Manny Machado. Where you going, brother? Where you gonna wind up? No numbers, no autos. So we'll be moving on to pack number 3. Manny, oh Manny. Jacob deGrom, phenomenal season last year. Clint Frazier, can't wait to see what he does. Mr. Ingram. No numbers, no autos. We will move along. Gotta protect the corners of the cards. Keep getting reminded. Nick Kingham. No number. We got St. Louis. We got Aaron Judge. Hopefully he's healthy this year. Josh Hader. Contreras. Hader again. Chaniger. Josh Hader. This guy. Lourdes Gurriel. No numbers there. All right. Let's go, people. Welcome aboard. How are you? Today's February 13th, 2019. We're cracking 2018 Topps Chromes. If you were on eBay and bought it and paid for it, this is the break you're looking for. Romero. Carlos Carrera. Charlie Blackmon. Jose Bautista. Bautista, baby. We got a good card in the back here. Altuve. JD Martinez. Let's see if these are numbered. No, sir. Mr. Yelich. And rookie debut. GT. Not numbered. Doesn't mean it's a bad card. That's his second glider card today. A little light on rookies right now. I only got a couple, but not the ones I'm looking for. Okay. I don't know what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. Mr. Chris Sale, Jacob deGrom again, Aaron Judge again, Jack Flaherty. That was a pitcher's box, except Aaron Judge, obviously. Any numbers? No numbers. Aaron eats those pitchers up alive. I went to a game, and I got a signed Judge ball. Grinchuk, you signed it right in front of me. What are you on here? What the hell is this guy? Can't get away from this guy. 35 of 99. Ohtani in here too, huh? And wow, what a pack. Jesse Biddle. A little magic going on here. 35 to 99. I think this is a refractor. Yes, it is. We've got pretty much every single card this guy's signed, or I think it was one night we had about 6 autos of this guy. I think I'm exaggerating there, but this is an Ohtani not base card, not numbered. Beautiful card. We'll sleeve his ass up too. Miguel Andujar, not numbered. We'll sleeve his ass up. Nice. I don't know. John String Bean Norman Dean. How are you, buddy? It's good to see you, kid. Ramirez. There's a Juan Soto. That's what we're waiting for too, right? Not numbered. Nice base. This is base rookie card. We had an auto of him many moons ago. Javier Baez. There's an Acuna. Thank you for playing. Thank you for showing up. Didn't want to start a party without you, Mr. Acuna. Okay, we got pretty much all the base cards that I was looking for. All the rookie cards. Did I look for Mr. Kemp, Malacus, Jose Santana, Austin Meadows again. Oh, I just come on. Okay. All right. Let's go. Give me an auto. We already got a refractor. Let's see an auto here. And what I mean by auto, I mean autograph. Mr. Kemp, another Juan Soto. This looks a little fancy. No, it's not fancy. It's not numbered. My paranoia from Steve makes me think every card's a refractor now. But it was Didi Gregorius and Mitch Haniger. Didi's reflective card behind it made it look a little fancier than it actually was. This is actually the first pack I've opened up correctly. I've always cracked the packs wrong. Mr. Ichiro, not numbered. Oh, right behind him, rookie debut. Mr. Otani, not numbered. Irrelevant. Still a good card. Chris Stratton and Bueller again. No numbers. You bought the team. They'll be in your mailbox. What's today? Wednesday? They'll be in your mailbox. Probably by Friday, Thursday. Friday, Saturday. Ozzy Albies. Mr. Joey Votto. Clint Frazier again. It's the second time we've seen him tonight. Mr. Nick Kingham. Thank you for playing. Thank you for showing up. Well, you got a lot of people on, but I can't see who joined us. A lot of hidden names in there. Scott Kingery. There's a Gleiber. Not numbered. Is it Mr. Torres? It's the third one of him. Mr. Kingsler. Willie Adames again. No number. Okay, next pack. Yankees been doing pretty good today. Tyler Beatty. Looks like Shane Justin Bieber's cousin. No number. Chris Davis. And Aaron Judge. Okay. Michelle Matt Urick, what's going on, sweetie? Listen, tomorrow's Valentine's Day. I want everybody to be happy on Valentine's Day. Think of Triforce Breaks. Because nobody loves you more than we do. Ozzy Albies, Josh Hader, and Mitch Haniger. We won't send you flowers, but we'll send you your cards on time. But we love you. We love all you guys. But let's not get stalkerish or anything, okay? Let's just be cool. Everything's okay. Everything will be all right. But we do love you. Mr. Molina, Gary Sanchez, Mr. Blackman, Jose Batista. Okay. I like the cards, but I want to start seeing some numbers and autos. What are we doing here? I don't want base cards. And if you're going to give me base cards, give me good cards. I want Mr. Munoz, Willie Adames, Yelich, and another rookie debut. Mr. GT himself. Get in there. Get in there. Trying to get all fancy. The card I haven't seen yet today. We've seen him, Ichiro, Rafael Devers, and his McCutcheon. Great season last year. Thank you for playing. Rafael Devers. Nice rookie card. Nothing like having a rookie season and winning the World Series. And actually being a big part of it. Mr. Romero, Jose Altuve again. Adam Joseph, what's up? I don't know how to pronounce this guy's name. And Chris Stratton. What's up, AJ? We got a lot of watchers in right now. A lot of stalkers. Abreu, Rafael Devers again. Aaron Judge again. Josh Hader again. Let's see what we got. Any numbers? No numbers. No whammies. No whammies. I feel a little lucky with this pack. I don't know why. I feel real lucky. Bryce Harper. Oh, Scherzer, Haniger, and Blackman. So I guess if you bought the Nationals, you're going to be getting a few more base cards than you were getting before. Trolta, Austin Meadows again, Freddie Freeman, and Jose Batista. Jose Batista. We got a little bit of a pile and one, box and one here. Oops, sorry, hit the camera. My apologies. Let's go a little over this one. There's my laptop. See? And here we go. Yep. One day I'll give you guys a tour of the operation here. Javier Baez, Ichiro again. Ooh, we got an Acuna, rookie debut. And Mr. Santana, that's not numbered, but is Acuna numbered? And he's not. Doesn't make it a bad card. But it is going to be your card if you bought the Braves. Another Yankee winner here. Let's see what we got. Giancarlo Stanton, Mr. Hoskins, Yelich, and the Gleiber rookie debut. A lot of those working today. I'd like to see a Gleiber auto, right? Wouldn't that be nice? Andujar auto. I don't even know if there's any Andujar autos in here. We definitely pulled an Ichiro. We pulled an Ichiro auto, Victor Robles, Soroka, Mokeda, and Flaherty. I think one of the first breaks we pulled was Ohtani Redemption auto. We definitely pulled a Juan Soto auto. We pulled a Million Biddle auto. Negative, pulled his auto. Soroka, there's an Ohtani, and Andujar. Oh, sorry, I'm a Yankee fan. Andujar gets sleeved first. There's your not numbered Ohtani. Still a nice base rookie. You bought the A's. What a Braves. You got some base cards coming to you. Okay. I lost a viewer. I must have offended somebody. Grinchuk, Chris Davis, Jesse Biddle again, and Lucchese of the Lucchese crime family. It's good to see you. All right. I have a funny feeling this is going to be, as I say that, is a Matt Harvey card, man. A bust. Ramirez, Kingham. There you go. Told you. Oh, we've had his auto before. Is it numbered? Not numbered. Finally, a nice little auto. You got the Phillies. That's a nice auto on him. Look at that. Some high quality H2O right there. It's a high quality autograph. I like that. I like that a lot. Look at that. Nice card. We'll put him here. And you could always say that that good card had a little garbage backing it up. Ramirez and Kingham, and that Harvey card was like, let's call it the cardboard between the expensive dinner plates your wife wants for the wedding. Nicholas, Gary Sanchez, got Jeanette and Alex Bregman. And please don't take offense on how I say people's names. You see it so many times, you just saying it right just seems so wrong. Nice auto is right there, Steve-O. And of course, we'll recap. Matt Kemp, there's another one. Soto, is it numbered? No, it's not. Freddie Freeman and Mr. Crawford. There's your another one. Another good-looking card. It's actually a nice quality card. High quality H2O right there. We got 3 packs left. Think we got an auto in here? Oh, we'll find out. Mr. Manny Machado, Mr. Matt Kemp, Carlos Correa, and Evan Longoria. Yeah, I think we had one numbered card, right? Let's make it 2. Let's make it 2. Seeing a lot of Manny Machado cards. That might be a sign. Mr. Lindor, Mr. Hoivoto, Severino. Haven't seen his name in a while. Another Manny card, like we said. No numbers. Last pack, people. Last pack. Drum roll, please. Of course, it opens up like garbage. We have a David Bodie in there. We've had his auto a couple times. Trev Story, Aaron Judge, Tyler O'Neill, and the David Bodie card. So we will see if there's anything that's numbered. No. Judge and another base pack. All right, move these back. International affairs, you guys seen. Who do we start with? Okay, let's go with the Yankees first. And when I do the Yankees, I combine the Andahars and the Gleiber Torreses. Got 1, 2 Miguels. And now we're on the Gleibers. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Torreses. Not too bad. Only a couple of Acunas today. 2 Acunas a day keeps the doctor away. Here's your nice 3-pack of the Juan Soto base autos. Base cards. Sorry, I didn't mean to say auto. I don't want to get your hopes up. Base cards of Senior Juan Soto. Otani's. I already put him in the top loader. He got 3. 2 base, 1 rookie debut card. The Super Tractor Refractor of my boy Jesse Biddle. I've seen his face so many times. He's part of the family. 35 of 99. Not bad. When you get that home, you can Stare at it all you want. And then you got on the fill. If you bought the Phillies, Scott Kingery. Look at that. All I keep focusing on yours. Nice autograph right there. Nice centering. Base card, rookie card, but still a good card. Guys, congratulations. Good job with the Yankees. Only one auto. That's right, Toby. Only one. But it's a good one. Average is about an auto per 5. And we've actually done better than that sometimes. But just one today. Any questions, please email Steve at Triforce Breaks. Any complaints, email yourself. Any thing you might want to know. Any, you know what? If you have any suggestions on boxes that you might want to, that we haven't done so far. Was that one box? No, Toby. You full asleep at the wheel. We opened 5 boxes. Here's all the cards. Rewind the. I'm going to post this. You can rewind it, watch it. You can hear my sexy voice all over again, or you can just scroll right to the end and see the recap where you just missed. All right. Have yourself a great day. God bless. Be safe. I'll post the video right now for you guys. See you soon. And happy Valentine's Day to all my stalkers.